we as a foundation, as Lango Foundation, we have embraced the ruling, and we think the ruling sets a very good precedence for constitutionalism, the rule of law, and for the good moral order of our society. The ruling has a lot of talking points, many of them positive enough for us to take home as cultural leaders, as people who are given responsibility to manage society, as people who have a social contract with those we lead. We have accepted the ruling. It was a win-win situation because we also lost in certain counts. Actually, we lost in many counts, but the fact that the election of 1st March was nullified, which was one of our biggest prayer, we think that Justice Odoki read his script very well. We are happy for His Highness the Wunyashi, Yosam Uribi, who is set to be regazetted as the paramount leader of the Lango people. We're going to rally behind him and make sure that we steer Lango to prosperity and stability. Thank you. What's your